Hello, hi, how are you? Today is another day, and today I'm going to show you how I make my coffee, like the ingredients I use. So I'm going to do it, and that is going to be my vlogmas for today. So bye bye, see you in the kitchen. So I'll need a sufuria, then I have ginger, then I have a turmeric, and I have coffee. So this is the coffee that I'm going to be using. So once done with boiling everything, I'll use honey. So these are the main ingredients that I'm going to use. So I'm going to start off by adding turmeric. So I put just enough turmeric, depending on what my ancestors tell me. Then I will go in with ginger, also depending on my taste, but I think today I'm going extra. I don't know why. Probably it's because you're here. Then next I'll add in coffee. So in here right now there's coffee, there's ginger, and there's turmeric. Now let me add water. Hello, so now I'm going to leave the coffee to come to a boiling point, like the concoction I made. I put in coffee, there's turmeric, and there's ginger, and water, cold water. So I've put all of them into the sufuria and then put it to boil. So once it's boiled, I'm going now to remove it. So let me wait for it to finish up, and then I'll be able to do the whole process now again of the remaining bit. Yeah, so talk to you soon once it's done boiling. For now, let me put some honey in the cup. So I have my cup ready with the honey. So now I'm waiting for the coffee to fully boil. Then I'll be able to go to the next step. So I'm all done making coffee. Here's my coffee. Let me give you the first taste. So good. So this is a very healthy coffee to take. You can try it out. You're going to love it. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.